Welcome to Building Code with Ethan, and today I will be showing you how to use Scratch and get started. To start, you'll want to type in Scratch, just like this, and click on the first one that says Scratch. Imagine, Program, Share. Click on it. Should get you here. And make sure to make yourself a profile to get started with it. To join Scratch, all you have to do is pretty much just put in a username, a password, and then your password again. And then next you'll just say, yes, I do want to join Scratch, and then you'll join Scratch, but then you'll have to get an email verification to say it's you, and then just go into your email to verify it. That's how you get an account, and you just sign in. So first, if you want to find other people's games, simply use search in here. For this one, it's just about Scratch, telling you about Scratch. This is Ideas, which is pretty much a library that shows you how to do the most basic stuff, like this. And then you can go to Explore, which is all the other popular ones. And then clicking this will get you back to the page. Click this to create one, or go click this to see all the stuff you've created. Click this to see all your new messages. Like this, you get messages. And then click create to create a new project. If you click this, you can also create a new one by clicking the plus button. So, simply, if you want to see tutorials, just click on this to see some simple tutorials. These don't show you how to make much. And if you want to edit a costume, you can use this. This is like the mouse pointer to like select stuff. This will like change the way it points. This will draw stuff. This will erase. This will type in text. This one will make like a little slash bar, a square, and a circle. You can always like make the outline bigger, like that much. It's insane, but there's still purple in it. Pretty much you can mess around with that. And then there's a button that says group. If you group it, it'll make everything move in one easy line. Ungroup it, it'll move part by part, so it won't be all together. And click the trash button to trash it. Click this one to paint a new one, and click this one, or just click that to choose a new sprite out of the library. This is to choose a sprite costume, but to make a new sprite, you click down here, either draw or make one. And over here is like the sound. You can record sounds, make it faster, slower, louder, softer. You can mute it. You can undo it. Just like in the costumes, there's an undo button. So you messed it up, there's undo. And of course you can change around the sounds. And also you can choose a new one or record yourself with the record button. You can change it like that. And also there's a lot more, like in the code. These will make it move. Change it where it looks or says, sounds. And this will like start up your game pretty much. These are like pretty much like if statements, except for not really if statements. They like start up the code. An if statement is if something is true, then it'll do what's inside the block, like would my variable 0, make a new variable like that, make a new list, or like make a new block, say my variable, that's a new block, you could get a rather block, would my variable rather get 18 by 0, to see if it's true you just click on that, it's 0, but no, so it won't go, but then a not block means if it's not, so then it'll make it true. So then you can make out something like what's your name? Or anything else I put inside your ask. You can show the answer. These are like if you want it to detect if spacebar was pressed, like spacebar is like ask how are you, then you could like add answer to list. See? Simply just add anything. Pretty much whatever you want you can do. But this needs to be okay. That, how are you? And I say, good. See, and they'll just add it. That's pretty much it. All these blocks, see what they say. If touching this color, pretty much like that. If you're touching green, then it'll ask you, how are you? But to change the color, you can simply click on this and then click on. Since if touching color, you can change it to whatever you want. White, it is. Then it'll ask, how are you? And you could say, that and add it. And that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe.